Hey, here's my last update on the aquaponics system before I head out to Lahore. The plants have been going really well since the last video update. I put in a number of tomato seedlings here, but not all of them have made it. Only two of them, as a matter of fact, have made it. But these two are quite happy. I pick off a couple of aphids every day from them. This, I figure, is what they call the sucker, right here in the middle of two plants. So I'm going to prune that once it gets a little larger and the plant can take, having itself being pruned. And this, I figure, is this is the stem. This is another sucker that I'm going to get rid of, and maybe get rid of this stem as well. It's not really, and maybe get rid of this stem as well. It's not really doing anything there. So those are a good bit taller and happier. The chili plants, the chili patch is a little bit thinner. Small dead plants I've just been pulling out. I pulled off maybe 5-6 of them so far. But these ones, I think they got a little bit hurt by the water getting cut out today during the day for a while. But they are getting larger, that's for sure. They are definitely getting larger. That I'm sure of. So they have grown a little bit since they got into the aquaponics. That's a good thing. The basil going quite mad, as you can see, big heavy leaves, but it's not starting to flower yet. It's just leaving more and more, and they're really big, really tall, really strong. Got a couple of corn, well, one seed definitely coming up. Got another couple down there below that are pushing. So that's positive. Maybe there are more that I can't quite see yet either. If you move these, you see down there, you can also see another couple of the leaves germinating, pushing out shoots over there. There's at least 3 or 4 of them coming up. That's a positive sign. The ivy, you see all of these little leaves, these little leaves, they're new. It's put up like at least 4 or 5 of them, and there's more coming up in different spaces. It's doing quite well up till here. Alamanders, again, those flowers came and they went flowers for about a day and then the flower dies. Is also doing quite well. The sponge gourds are a lot thinner now because they got a lot of those leaf miners on them, so I kept removing them. I think this leaf and this leaf, they're both going to go as well because they've got a couple of, and maybe this one as well, they've got those markings on them. But I think that might just be a little over pruning it, so I won't do it just yet. The mint has grown a lot. As you can see up there, these used to be very little leaves indeed, and it may not really, it's just a touch bit higher, but the leaves are much bigger on it. And these leaves down here are also nice and big and holding, and the ivy here is also thrown out a couple of new leaves. It's throwing out another one there, so it's quite happy. The fish have just been fed a minute or two ago. They're doing quite well, I think. They're happy and feed quite aggressively and beg quite aggressively as well. Hold on, one of the air pipes has apparently moved, so I'll just get to fixing that up. Yes, you can see they're bigger than they were before. They're more aggressive. They're happier. Got nice big flowery tails now, so that's definitely a good sign. I think the SLO is holding up just fine. Here are the root systems that I can show you. They've gotten quite long there. See, they're dipping all the way down, and oh, okay. Hello, I haven't noticed that before, but as you can see, there's a whole bunch of roots coming on down from there. So that's probably why it's picked up some speed past few days, as well as that new root system getting itself down there. Smells quite nice. Yeah, everything coming in from down there right now. Wait a minute. See, these air pipes, they just get loosened every couple of days for some reason. And see, now it's bubbling nicely. I'll have to tighten this up a little bit once I'm done. And the stump tank, last but not least, it's on the empty part of its cycle right now, and you can see right there up in the top right corner, there are the 2 little fish. There were 4 of them. There are 2 of them now. The yabbies have definitely had, the crayfish have definitely had some sort of a meal. One of them is still in that PVC hide on the right with the holes on it, This one, and the other one is still back here. Yeah, there it is. They're both a bit larger now, though I haven't recovered any new hides. The whole new setup with this ball valve in here, it's doing quite fine. Just a little worried about water levels with the drip, especially as I'm leaving. I have told my sister to look at water levels. So yeah, let's see how that goes. Everything should hopefully be fine with the gardener. Also feeding them earthworms on and off. The sponge gourds over here are doing fine, but they're getting a lot more leaf minor damage. I'm going to give them a bit of a pruning right now as well. The chilies in the dirt planters are pretty fine, but they got watered a bit over enthusiastically by someone, not me. So they're doing a bit down. These are all looking alright, as you can see, and these are the little corn babies. Yeah, a couple of these would have gone into the aquaponics, but there's 2 or 3 of them raking their head there right now, so I'm not sure how many of them are going to be busted out. These are eggplants, so I'm not sure if these couple of seedlings, this is seedling, this is seedling, that's a seedling, I don't know if these are the actual seedlings that I planted or not. So yeah, here's the last look that you and me both will get it at the system for about another 3.5 weeks. So let's hope everything goes according to plan and that there's another greener, bigger update once I get back home. Thanks for watching, you guys, and remember to leave your comments and let me know what you thought. Cheers!